It feels pretty sunny today. It's around 54 degrees Fahrenheit. In Celsius, that is. And so I'm going to the gym with my mom. My sister doesn't want to go. My dad doesn't want to go. No one wants to go, but my mom is going to the gym with me, so that would be very nice. But also, I do need to get a nice haircut. Not taking off too much, just a little bit.
We're having fun walking in the sun.
Alright, and the bus is coming. I would have preferred to walk, but no, my mom wants to take the bus, but okay. So I can't wait for my hair to grow again, and then these to grow again.
So we are going to do
Just leave it.
lock it back?
No, just leave it.
No, for your
Just
situation.
leave it. Alright, so we're here, Planet Fitness, Oniva. Cool. Alright, so yes. I won't do anything much but you working something. I'll just be stretching and doing light things like calisthenics. And stop talking to people, they might distract you. If she's talking to these people and they are distracting her, you need to stop talking to the people. Alright, you see here? You see what I'm doing?
Yes.
Here, basically for me,
Put it on recording now?
it is recording. For me, you have to ensure that you have space here so you could feel comfortable. For me, I can hold it, but still, I start to get up, hold it good, position myself, I hold it back and then I bring it down like this. See? You were doing like this, no, you keep straight, and you do this, and that's it. Right, you're doing it, yes. Yeah, do it now, right. Yes, if you can do it a little bit faster, so you can. I'm a black card owner, and so I get an advantage of using certain special equipment at the gym, and one such equipment is the massage chair. So first you need to put coin there, go on, start it. It start? Okay. So yeah, you feel nothing? Alright, okay. Let's see, I'm trying to adjust myself. Okay. Okay, so we have 5 minutes. Alright. And this thing is massaging my legs. Okay, not bad. It's like hitting my back and then it runs up smoothly. Okay, oh yes. To my neck. Okay. Oh, then there's the shape. Look at this vibration. Oh, my legs feel so good. Oh, so good. This is not a room. I'm not sure what happens. Yes, so. Okay. And this is the hydro bed.